In this video, we'll show you how to fix Xbox controller stick drift. If you find this useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. So if your analog stick is moving on its own when you're not touching it, it's usually caused by tiny bits of dust around the analog. Now what you're going to do here is push it all the way to the edge and slowly roll it in a full circle movement. Do this several times and then you're going to do the opposite way as well. Next, you can take a thin flexible plastic sheet, something like a trimmed piece of clear packaging or a very thin plastic card edge. And what you need to do here is gently slide the edge down into the small gap around the analog and sweep around the stick while you move it. After you do that, you can gently blow around the base of the analog. Now you can power the controller back and test in game to see if the drifting has improved. You can try calibrating your controller as well. You can go to settings and then devices and connections, accessories, select your controller and select configure. Scroll down to recalibration options, select the problematic analog stick, follow the on-screen instructions to move and center the stick exactly as it tells you. Now if your controller is still drifting, you might need to deep clean or replace the stick modules, or even getting a repair or replacement.